Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss some JEE mains and MSET problems regarding this formula. So, the formula in indefinite integration, based on this concept, we will get some questions related to JEE mains and MSET. Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. See here, the given integral you have to make it into this form and get the answer. Here thing is you have to recognize among the two functions, among these two functions in the questions, which function is f of x, which function is f dash of x. If you recognize that what is f of x, what is f dash of x, we will give that easy to answer. See, let us have a discussion. The first question in this. Integral e power x into secant x tan x plus secant x into dx. So we need to learn the derivatives of the function. We have to get it. Among secant x tan x and secant x, whose function derivative is which function? We can recognize. Suppose if we take secant x, d by dx of secant x is secant x tan x, which is there exactly in the first term. So you have to recognize as what is f of x, what is f dash of x. Here, if you take f of x as secant x, then whose derivative? Then f dash of x is equal to d by dx of secant x is secant x tan x. So now this given integral will becomes integral e power x into, this is f dash of x plus this is f of x into dx, which is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. What is f of x here? F of x equal to secant x. So e power x into secant x plus c, which is there exactly in the second option. Integral e power x into secant x plus secant x tan x, value is e power x into secant x plus c. Similarly, come to the second question. Integral e power x into 1 plus x log x by x into dx. See here, split into two integrals first. Integral e power x into 1 by x plus x get cancelled, log x only remaining into dx. Now what is f of x, what is f dash of x? If you take f of x is log x among these two functions, log x and 1 by x. If you take log x as f of x, whose derivative is 1 by x, f dash of x is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, it will become integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x, which is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. What is f of x here? Log x. So e power x into log x plus c. So e power x into log x plus c, which is there in the first option. Don't go for third option. In third option, constant is not there. So wantedly to disturb the students like this, they will give that. So the first option is the right option. Come to the third question. Integral e power x into x plus 2 by x plus 3 whole square into dx. Here also we have to make into this formula form. Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. So e power x plus 2 is there in the numerator and the denominator is x plus 3 whole square. Whenever like this form it will be there in the questions in MCQs. Make the numerator value in terms of denominator. This is the important step. So x plus 3 I am x plus 2 converting in terms of x plus 3. Can I write x plus 3 minus 1? Is it equal to x plus 2 or not? We got that numerator value x plus 2. Divided by x plus 3 whole square into dx. Now split into two integrals here. Integral e power x into x plus 3 by x plus 3 whole square. Therefore 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 3 whole square into dx. But still not in the form. Why? Because in the formula form plus is there but here minus is there. What I am doing is integral e power x into 1 by x plus 3 plus minus 1 by x plus 3 whole square into dx. Now you decide that what is f of x, what is f dash of x. Here f of x is equal to 1 by x plus 3. If you take that, d by dx of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. So f dash of x is equal to minus 1 by x plus 3 whole square. Now this value is f of x, this value is f dash of x. Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx, which is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. What is f of x here? 1 by x plus 3, which is equal to e power x into 1 by x plus 3. So we can write it as e power x by x plus 3 plus c. So e power x by x plus 3 or 3 plus x plus c, which is there in the first option. We'll move to the fourth question. Integral e power x into tan x plus log of secant x into dx. Integral e power x into tan x plus log of secant x. Here, first you recognize what is f of x, what is f dash of x. So here, f of x, if you take tan x derivative is what? Secant square x. But secant square x is not there in this. So obviously what function will be f of x? Log of secant x. So now differentiate with respect to x, or directly also you can write f dash of x. d by dx of log f of x is 1 by f. So 1 by f of x, 1 by secant x. Again secant x you have to differentiate. Secant x tan x. Secant x get cancelled. F dash of x is equal to tan x. So now this value is f dash of x, this value is f of x. The given integral will become integral e power x into f dash of x plus f of x into dx. So whenever it is formula form, we got the result is e power x into f of x plus c only now. What is f of x? Again you have to write it. E power x into log of secant x plus c. So e power x into log of secant x plus c is the right answer, which is there in the second option. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Integral e power x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x into dx. See here, 1 minus cos x, 1 minus sin x. We need to convert in terms of half angle formula. Integral e power x into 1 sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 into dx. Now split into two terms. Integral e power x into 1 by 2 sin square x by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by sin square x by 2 is cosecant square x by 2 only, no? Reciprocal of sine minus 2 get cancelled. One of the sin x by 2 cancel. Cos x by 2 by sin x by 2. Cot x by 2 into dx. Still it is not in this form. Integral e power x into 1 by 2 into cosecant square x by 2. If I write like this, plus minus cot x by 2. Now you recognize what is f of x, what is f dash of x. Here, if you take f of x as minus cot x by 2. What is the derivative of cot x? Minus cosecant square x. So already minus is there, means plus will come. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to minus of minus cosecant square x by 2. Again x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. So minus into minus is plus 1 by 2 into cosecant square x by 2, which is there exactly in the first term of the integral here. This is f dash of x, this is f of x. Therefore this integral will become integral e power x into f dash of x plus f of x into dx, which is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. What is f of x here? Minus cot x. So minus e power x into cot x by 2, which is the required answer. So minus e power x into cot x by 2, which is there in the first option. We need to learn the formulas of half angle formula of trigonometry. That is very much important in calculus part, dear students. You remember that. And come to this question. Integral sin of log x plus cos of log x into dx. This is indirect question of the application of integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. You remember, this is indirect form. We will making into this form the given integral here. So what we have to do is put log x is equal to t. Log x means the base is always e, you can take that. So by definition of logarithm, log x to the base e equal to 2, we can write it as x is equal to e power t. Now differentiate. with respect to x, x derivative is 1, e power t derivative is e power t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. So cross multiplying, you will get it as dx is equal to e power t dt. So wherever dx is there, you have to replace with e power t dt. So therefore, the given integral will become sin t plus cos t into, in place of dx, e power t dt. Is it in this form of integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x or not? See, among these, f of t is equal to sin t and then f dash of t is equal to cos t. So we can write it as integral e power t into, this is f of t, this is f dash of t. F of t plus f dash of t into dt. So it will become e power t into f of t plus c, which is equal to e power t into, what is f of t here? Sin t plus c. Again, in place of t, you have to write it log x to the base e. So e power log x to the base e into sin of log x to the base e plus e. We know that, but this option is not there in the work. We know that e power log f of x to the base e is equal to f of x. You keep in mind this formula, dear students. E power log f of x to the base e is equal to f of x. So e power log x to the base e means here in place of f of x, what value is there? X is there. So x into sin of log x to the base e plus c. So it is there options, x into sin of log x to the base e, which is there in the first option. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Integral e power x into log x plus 1 by x square into dx. These are the options. See here, among these two functions, if you consider f of x is log x whose derivative is 1 by x, but 1 by x is not there here. If we consider 1 by x square is f of x whose derivative is different, minus 2 by x cube, it will become like this. So this type of problem, like this question they will ask in MCET or JEE, mains. See, by seeing it is very simple, but little logic is there in this. Integral e power x into, for these two functions, just I am adding and subtracting the derivative of log x. So log x plus 1 by x I am doing. Whenever we are adding 1 by x, whose derivative minus 1 by x, we have to add and subtract. Plus 1 by x square into dx. After that, split into two integrals. Log x plus 1 by x is one function and minus take common, you can take again these two functions as another one. So integral e power x into log x plus 1 by x into dx minus I am taking common, observe carefully. Integral e power x into, whenever you are taking common, minus 1 by x minus 1 by x square into dx. This minus 1 by x square also we can write as plus into minus 1 by x square. Now what is f of x, what is f dash of x? Log x is f of x and f dash of x is 1 by x in this integral. Come to in this integral, 1 by x is f of x whose derivative is minus 1 by x square. So apply integral e power x into this formula. Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So here e power x into f of x is log x minus e power x into f of x is 1 by x. Ultimately you can add plus c. Don't consider here plus c, here plus c. No need. Only one constant you have to write. So u power x you take common from these two. E power x into log x minus 1 by x plus c. So e power x into log x minus 1 by x plus c, which is there in the first option. This is indirect way they are asking. This type of question you concentrate, dear students. Come to the next question. Integral e power x into x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. Even this question also making in terms of denominator like previous problem. But little here logic is there. Observe carefully. Integral e power x into, here x square plus 1, I want to x plus 1 in the numerator itself. So how to get it is x plus 1, but x square term is there now. Now x square plus 1, I am adding and subtracting plus 1 and minus 1, dividing by x plus 1 whole square into dx. After that, x square plus 1 make as one term, which is equal to integral e power x into x square minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is plus 2, divided by x plus 1 whole square into dx. X square minus 1, it is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b to a minus b. So x minus 1 into x plus 1, which is equal to integral e power x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. Now split into two integrals, integral e power x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. So one of the x plus 1 will be cancelled here. Integral e power x into x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. Now you recognize what is f of x, what is f dash of x. See here, I will tell the one logic here. This is f of x, this is f dash of x. How it will be f dash of x easily to recognize. In previous differentiation classes, I told that if y is equal to ax plus b divided by cx plus d, then dy by dx is equal to ad minus bc, shortcut formula, by cx plus d whole square. You remember, this is very important shortcut formula in differentiation also. If the function is of the form y is equal to ax plus b by cx plus d, then dy by dx equal to ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Similarly, if you take as f of x is x minus 1 by x plus 1, so differentiate with respect to x, f dash of x will becomes ad minus bc accordingly. 1 into 1, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, divided by denominator whole square. Is it there in this exactly? F of x and f dash of x. So it will becomes e power x into f of x plus c. What is f of x here? E power x into x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus c. I think everyone understand about this one, dear students. Thank you, dear students, for watching my channel. In the next episode, we will discuss about integration by parts, general method and shortcut formula also we will discuss. We will share that. Thank you all for watching my channel. Maths with Panindra. Signing off.